Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix verification code cannot be sent to this phone number at this time. If you're using any iPhone and you're having any issue to verify yourself in your Apple ID, that your phone number cannot get the verification code. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. Open settings. So for general, go for VPN and device management, and from here you have to check if you're connected. Try to disconnect with your VPN, and then you have to go back and here go for the option of iPhone's storage, and you have to also make sure that you have enough storage. And after that, you have to go back again, go for software update. Try to update your software to the latest iOS version, and then go back and then select to transfer or reset iPhone. Select reset network settings, and here you have to enter your passcode, and then select reset network settings on the pop-up menu. And once you have that, all of your network settings will be resetted. So it might be that there will be any issue in your network settings, so it will fix in this step. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. And after that, you just have to scroll down and look for the option of screen time, and from here you have to select the content and privacy restrictions, and you have to disable all the restrictions from here. And after that, once you have done, you have to retry to get verification code. Or if you are having the same issue, so you have to change your phone number. So it might be that there is an issue, so you just have to change your phone number. Or after that, if you are still having the same issue, you have to open your browser and you have to simply search for Apple support or support.apple.com, and here you have to select your device. Once you have selected, scroll down until you find get support option, then select start now here, and from here you just have to select the option of passwords and security, and from here you have to select, or you can search that the verification code cannot be sent. Or here you can search for your issue. So for example, I'm going to search here could not connect, or verification code cannot received, or something like that which you want. Or you can select anything from here relating to Apple account, then select continue, and here you just have to select get more help option, and then select call us, and here you'll get the number for call to official Apple support team. Now, whenever you want to talk, you have to go dial this phone number, and you will get official help from your Apple support team member. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.